Hello everybody, it's Bridget and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you haven't already, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and like this video because it really helps me out. And now, let the tutorial begin! Let's start off by priming our skin. First, I'm going to use this Cover FX Pore Blurring Primer, and that's going to fill in all of those nasty little holes in my face. Next, I'm going to go in with a setting spray and use this as a second primer just as a way to add double protection to my foundation. My skin's pretty oily, so I find this is a necessary step for me. I really need to get one of those little fans that a lot of beauty gurus have where it's just like, ooh! But I don't have that right now. And now that we're primed and poreless, we can go in with foundation, and I'm going to be using my two usual products from Chanel and Marc Jacobs. But I thought that today we would use a booty blender, just so that I can try to add some variety to these videos, and I haven't tried it in a long time, so let's do it again. I just want to mix things up a little bit. You know, this actually looks pretty darn good. I'm used to it being a little more patchy when I use a booty blender, but looks pretty good. Booty, booty, booty blender rocking everywhere. Booty, booty, booty blender rocking everywhere. What am I doing? Okay, let's get back to the tutorial. Now it's time to color correct with the LA Girl Pro Conceal in Peach Corrector, my go-to product. Usually I do this before I apply my foundation, but I kind of forgot today, but it's okay. You can still color correct your under eyes after your foundation. Time to conceal our under eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I like to use two different shades so I can get my perfect color match. When you're blending out your nose highlight, try to be really gentle with it so that it doesn't widen too much, because then it's going to defeat the purpose of what you're trying to do, make your nose look more pinched in. At least that's what my goal is when I'm contouring my nose. And now that we're done using all of the cream products, we can go ahead and set our under eyes and also the nose where we're going to apply contour later. And now that our bacon face is on and ready to go into the oven, it's time to prime our eyes. To contour today, I'm going to go in with Anastasia Beverly Hills color Fawn. Make sure that your contour is visible, but not like really stark in the way that you often see a lot of beauty gurus do, because that's going to take away from the kawaii look. We still want to shape our face and to give it some color, but we don't want to do it in a way that's going to make it appear more gaunt or just too sculpted. Trying to keep it as thin and snatched as possible. We're also going to contour the jaw just a bit. At least that's what I like to do because of my face shape. And just be very gentle. If you're too harsh with this, what happens is there's like patchiness when you go like look up and there's like this line of brown. So make sure you blend this out really well. I went ahead and did this eye off camera, so let's do this eye together. First, I'm going to prime my lids with the P. Louise eye base in Rumor 1. First, I'm going to take out the Anastasia Beverly Hills Norvina palette, and I'm going to go in with the color Love. Then we're going to put this under the lashes too, just to give ourselves a base. Now I'm going to go in with the color Wild Child from the same palette and pack that all over the lid. And I mean actually pack this color. I find it a lot easier to work with this shadow and just colored shadows in general if you pack it on. If you just start swiping immediately, it's not going to apply evenly or very pigmented. You only want to really do this sort of thing once you have pigment down. Maybe you go like that, but it's still, you're still stamping it. Now we're going to dip very, very lightly into volatile, very lightly. And use that to add a little dimension to this part of the eye. It's like the outer crease area. We're going to apply a minty color to the inner corner, but first I'm going to apply just a pinky, almost white little eyeliner base. This is the Clio Gelpresso in Pink Shine. Then I'm going to go into the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, and I'm going to use Cute and Virgin and keep mixing Candy Crush, Cute, and Virgin together until I get a color I like. Now I'm going to line my eyes with the Mersey The First Pen eyeliner in Brownie. I really like this eyeliner. Sometimes you run into the issue of brown eyeliners being too pale. And now I'm going to apply lashes and mascara off camera and we'll be all done. Now that we're all done with the eyes, we can move on to the cheeks. You can see this is a very simple look, but it's still effective. One of the big things this summer is using pastels and neons as like a highlighting point, so that's why I applied the pastel here in the inner corners. Today, I'm going to use my Etude House Lovely Cookie Blusher in the color PK001. And I'm going to apply this to the center of my cheeks. And I'm going to bring it up and under the eye, and then I'm going to fan it out. Almost create a crescent moon shape with the blush. And to finish this look off, I'm going to be applying one of my favorite lip gloss colors in the entire world, Anastasia Beverly Hills in Metallic Rose. I want a little more depth in the blush, so I'm going to go in with Blushing Bride from Tarte. And we're going to just put this right under the eye and bring it up here, just to frame the face and allow that color more room to sort of like be recognized and to balance out the paleness of the eyeshadow. And just to give this look a touch of glow, I'm going to be highlighting with the Merry Lou-Manizer from the Balm. And as a final touch, we're going to apply the Morphe Luminous Setting Spray just to bring the life back to our skin. And here we have the completed makeup! Yay! What do you guys think? I love this look. It's so fairy-ish and fun, but then there's that hint of modernism with the pastel little points here in the inner corner. Don't forget to comment below and tell me what you think of this look. Also, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you aren't already. I upload videos 3 times a week on Monday, Thursday, and Saturday. That's it for now. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye!